problem says the annual interest rate earned by an investment increased by 10% from last year. If I let X be the interest rate last year and then it increases 10%, that's X plus increase of 10% times X. And they tell me that this year it's 11%. So that would equal to 0.11. So I just need, and it says what was the annual interest rate last year. So I just need to find X. There's a 1 there. So add these together and I get 1.10X equal 0.11. And then divide both sides by 1.10. And I'm going to multiply top and bottom by 100 because I like to have integers, not decimals. That's going to move the decimal over 2 places to the right. So that'll be 11 over 110. And 11 will go into both of them. That will be 1 over 10. And that's 0.1. And 0.1 as a decimal is equal to 10% in percent form. There you go.